This is the Montech Sky One Mini. I've recently replaced the TechWare Fusion on my work rig with the Montech Sky One Mini for one main reason, and that is that the USB ports are placed at the front. The placement of my work rig is right on the rack, so USB ports at the top meant they are not accessible. The Montech Sky One Mini is sized like the ever popular TechWare Fusion, and it comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans. However, it has only 3 removable panels, which is the top one and then the 2 at the sides. What's neat is that the panels are secured without using screws. By default, it comes with one glass panel, so you can forget about hooking an AIO on the sides, and unlike the TechWare Fusion, there's very little you can do when it comes to customizing cooling setup. It does, however, come with a nice LED strip at the front that can be customized by motherboard RGB LED software, and it comes with a magnetic emblem for decorative purpose. So the Montech Sky One Mini is fundamentally a case that supports micro ATX motherboard and ATX power supply, and is meant for people who do not want to do a lot of customization. The glass panel hurts the airflow a little. I've reversed the rear fan to be intake and had the Noctua NH-U12S fan intake directly from it, and the temperature difference between the glass panel open and closed is 2 degrees Celsius with my Ryzen 5 3600 running, doing multi-core workloads with Blender BMW CPU test. Well, that's it for the Montech Sky One Mini. It is a nice case. It comes with glass. It has the toolless panel, and then I like the front, as in it has the inputs at the front instead of the top. As for the RGB LED strip, well, that's entirely up to preference. At that price point, it matches with the TechWare Fusion. However, the TechWare Fusion is still the one to go for if you are looking for greater customizability when it comes to cooling options. That's all from me for this one. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video useful and informative. If you like more of this kind of content, do check out the videos at the side and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.